Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you commercial vehicle accident law firm. So let's come to the topic. A commercial vehicle accident law firm is a legal practice that specializes in representing individuals and businesses involved in accidents or collision with commercial vehicles. Commercial vehicles typically include trucks, buses, deliveries vans, taxis, and other vehicles used for commercial purpose like public traffic. These law firms have a team of attorneys who are experienced in handling cases related to commercial vehicle accidents. They provide legal representation and guidance to victims of commercial vehicle accidents, helping them navigate the complexities of insurance claims, liability issues, and legal proceedings. The services offered by a commercial vehicle accident law firm may include the number one is investigation, gathering evidence, reviewing accident reports, and reconstructing the accident scene to determine liability and identify potential defendants. The number two is legal advice, providing expert legal advice and guidance to clients regarding their rights, responsibilities, and potential legal remedies. The number three is insurance claims, assisting clients in filing insurance claims and negotiating with insurance companies to ensure fair compensation for damages, medical expenses, and other losses. The number four is litigation, representing clients in court proceedings, including filing in laws results, presenting agreements, and advocating for their interests during trial or settlement negotiations. The number four is settlement negotiation with the responsible parties or their insurance providers to reach a fair settlement outside of court. The number six is legal representation, advocating for clients' rights and interests throughout the legal process, including representing them in negotiation, hearings, and trials. Number seven is compensation recovery, working to obtain compensation for various damages, including medical expenses, property damage, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other related losses. Commercial vehicle accident can be complex, involving multiple parties, intricate insurance policies, and different legal regulations. Therefore, engaging a specialized law firm can be beneficial in ensuring that accident victims receive the legal support and representation they need to navigate these complexities and ensure fair compensation for their injuries and losses. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos.